In this video, I'll show you how to bulk delete hundreds or even thousands of emails all at once in Gmail, so you can quickly clean up your inbox. Let's get into it. Let's say we want to clear out all of the emails in the Promotions category. So go to your Promotions tab. Click the checkbox at the very top left to select all 50 conversations on the page. Click the link that appears to select all conversations in the category. Click the delete icon, the trash bin. Click OK to confirm the bulk deletion. Wait a few minutes if you see a message indicating that Gmail is processing the deletion. Now, your Promotions tab is empty. Just bear in mind that anything that's been deleted will stay in your trash for up to 30 days, and you can recover it. To do that, go to the trash folder, drag any email back to the inbox, or select and move them back to another category like Promotions. To delete them permanently, click Empty Trash Now. Confirm by clicking OK to delete them permanently. By following these steps, you can easily bulk delete emails in Gmail.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.